I thought I've seen it all until Google launched this particular AI tool that can actually run offline without you having an internet connection. As you can show out here, this is my mobile phone and the internet connection is not really on. There's no Wi-Fi connected, and I can still go ahead and turn on my airplane mode. You can see this is my airplane mode. My airplane mode is on, right? And this is Google Gemma 4. all right, these are the use cases you can actually use. Okay, so let's say I want to go to the AI chat, no internet connection. All right, so I'm going to be clicking on it. So once you click on it, you can show out here I'm on the AI chat right now. So let's say I want to ask you something. Let's say, what can you do? What can you do? What can you do? All right, then I will send it. Then this is going to simply start running. You can show out here I am Gemma 4, a large language model developed by Google DeepMind. You can show out here it is still writing this stuff all without internet connection. You can show here my airplane mode is still on. All right, and in this particular video I'm going to be showing you how everything works and how you can actually get started with this particular AI tool. All right, by the end of this video you could be able to understand what Gemma 4 is all about and how you can actually use it. Okay, this step 2, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually download, install this particular AI tool right on your mobile phone, either Android or iOS device. Okay, so remember, most tutorials on YouTube right now are telling you to install this on your desktop, but most of you don't really have desktop. Okay, so does it mean you cannot use this particular AI tool? No, you're going to simply be able to use it right here from this very channel. So if you're watching this very channel for the first time, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and don't forget to join us on our Telegram and WhatsApp channel to stay updated on what is trending right now. Okay, this step 3, I'm going to be showing you which Gemma 4 AI model is best for your mobile phone. All right, in this step 4, I'm going to be showing you every features of this particular AI tool, the AI chat, the AI images, the audio scribe, and many more. Right, I'm going to be breaking it down and show you how everything works. All right, this step 5, which is the last part of this video, I'm going to be breaking down the real use cases, what you can actually use this AI to achieve, and why this particular AI tool is very much important for your day-to-day life, your businesses, and all of that. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get into the video. This is an AI tool that doesn't require internet access to be able to run. As you already know, ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud AI all required internet connection, and whatever thing you do, whatever thing you type goes straight to their servers. Okay, but Gemma 4 AI right now run entirely on your device after download. Okay, no server, no API calls, no subscriptions, everything is 100% free of charge, lifetime. All right, the E2B and E4B models were built specifically for phones. Okay, so the question now is, how do you install this particular AI tool on your mobile phone? You have to make sure that your mobile phone is 100% capable to actually handle this particular AI tool. Okay, if you're using an Android device, you have to make sure that your Android version is from 10 and above. Okay, if you're using iOS device, from iPhone 14 up. Okay, for this to actually work for you without lagging. All right, and if you have the compatible mobile phone right now, the best way to actually install this on your mobile phone is to fall back to Google. All right, if you're using iPhone, go to your App Store. If you're using Android device, go to Google Play Store. All right, so all you need to do is simply go over to your Google Play Store from here. Okay, so this is my mobile phone. I'm going to simply click on the Google Play Store. This is Google Play Store right here. Then you click on the search button. Then you're going to simply search for this application. It is called Google Edge Gallery. All right, so just search for this Google Edge Gallery. You can see right here I'm offline, so I'm going to simply turn on my internet connection for Google Play Store to actually work, so we can actually install this. Okay, so remember, after installing it and also downloading it on your mobile phone, you don't need internet connection again to handle it. Okay, for it to work for you. Okay, so I'm going to simply turn it on and show you how everything works. All right, so then click on the data. I'm going to simply turn everything on. You can show right here, then try again. You can show right now we are up online. Right now we are now online. Okay, so this is the one you're going to simply install right now. This is Google Edge Gallery. Okay, after installation, go ahead and open it. Okay, so once you open it, this is what you're going to be seeing on your mobile phone. You can show right here, you're going to see all of this. Okay, so this is what you're going to see. This is the interface of the application. Okay, this very section you're going to see try Gemma 4 today. All right, so you're going to see AI chat, you're going to see agent skills. All right, this is a new one that is being launched. You can see, you're going to see other use cases. You're going to see popular use cases right here. Ask image, you're going to see audio scribe, Ask AI chat, and lot more. Okay, so this very section right here you cannot access if you've not installed the Gemma 4 AI. Okay, once you download the Google AI Edge Gallery, the Gemma 4 is not installed yet. All right, you have to do this. You have to come over to this very section. this very page right here, then you're going to see settings and models. Just click on models. All right, so you're going to see we have the DeepSeek R1, we're going to see Gemma 3. We don't want that. The latest one right here is the Gemma 4. Okay, and under the Gemma 4 we have the E to B and also E for B. All right, if you don't want it to consume a lot of space on your mobile phone, you have to go for the E to B. All right, you are going to see a download button here. So once you click on that download button, this is going to simply start downloading, and you have to wait for it to download till 2.5 gig. Okay, and you have to make sure you have enough data for this to work. Okay, so once you install it, you're going to see benchmark and also try it now. Okay, so you're going to simply click on this try now. Right, you're going to see select a use case to try. Okay, so these use cases are just like the features you're going to see on this very AI tool. Okay, so right now I'm going to simply be turning off this particular internet connection right now on my mobile phone for this to work. Okay, all right, so I'm going to simply turn it off again. We are off. Our airplane mode is on right now. Okay, so we can now use this particular tool right now free of charge right now. Right, so remember we have the AI chat. Okay, so the AI chat shows the chat interface opening. Right, it's where you can actually communicate with this particular AI tool, just like you writing to ChatGPT, Cloudy AI, Perplexity, and all of that. Okay, Gemini. Right, so remember all those platforms I've already called now are basically gonna simply run with internet connection, which means if you don't have data, they cannot run. Okay, fine. Okay, so if you come to this very section, you can see right here we have the AI chat where you can actually ask it anything. Okay, so all you need to do is simply type in your prompt right here. So let's say give me in 2026, then you send it. So you can show out here are 5 steps. Okay, you can show out here it is giving me the whole stuff, and the best part is that you can see my airplane mode is currently on. All right, and this particular AI is going to simply give me every single detail, and it is 100% updated. I want to go to the next one. So if I come to this very section, you're going to see why we have the AI gen skills. So these are the stuff that you can actually ask. You can generate QR code, everything on this very section. Okay, so this ask image is where you can actually take a picture of something. Click on this plus button, you can take a picture. Okay, let's say I want to take a picture. Okay, let's say I want to take a picture from here. Please analyze. And explain what's inside. Okay, then you send it. Okay, so let's wait for it. You can see right here the whole details you can actually get on this research. So let me go ahead and stop bothering this particular here too. You already know that this can actually work without internet connection. Okay, you can show right here I'm just stressing this AI tool for nothing, just to prove a point. Okay, it means as it stands now, I'm going to be saving myself the stress of bothering myself about internet connection before I could use AI. Okay, and the best part is that this one is not going to tell you to wait for like 1 hour later or 3 hours later or that the limit has been exhausted for today, that you have to come back tomorrow. No. If you've been using ChatGPT or using Cloudy AI or other AI tools, you know what I'm talking about. All right, so this platform right here can actually help you do every other stuff without you stretching your share. And my next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually monetize this particular AI tool. If you want me to make that video, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next one.